Welcome back to this episode of EBM TV.
Where we've noticed our good friend and Tickford racing driver, Zach Best, training hard for his upcoming Super 2 series.
In the meantime, we're going to teach him how to lift with a big thank you to Dobson Suspension.
Well, we've just wrapped up the rear of the car. It is starting to get a bit late here at EBM.
So we're going to come back tomorrow morning and finish off the front.
Marcus?
I'm loving it.
Welcome back to day 2. Running a bit late. Stayed up last night, watched quali for the F1. Hopefully Shane's already got in there, got some stuff done for me, but because we're late, we're going to go grab him a little present on the way home. Say sorry for being late. So, let's see how we go. Ooh. This could be on the channel.
Bacon and egg muffin meals, and what were the drinks?
It's vanilla lattes.
Yeah, was that all?
That was it, thank you.
Yeah, all good. That was nice and good.
What the hell do you call this? You're now late.
I bought you a present.
Okay, it's all better now. Thanks, mate.
How much did you get through?
Pretty much absolutely nothing. I just waited for you to get in, to be honest.
Hey, Terry. Hey. Oh, big cherries. Big cherries coming. Oh yeah, what's that? Oh yeah, that's not food. No, you're not getting the maggers.
Now that Matty's finally made it to work, he's bribed me off successfully with this McDonald's coffee. We're going to get cracking on and put this front suspension. Let's go.
This is what I have to do when I work with Shane.
You're still not even that much taller than me either. Thanks for watching, everybody. As we said at the start of the episode, we're going to teach Zach how to lift. Mate, what do you think about our form?
Your form can do some. You need some work with your form, but the results are really good. Yeah.
Pity about that plane flying overhead. I'm trying to conduct a serious interview here, but we'll keep cracking on. For those of you who don't know who Zach is, he's a Tickford racing driver and current Super 2 points championship leader, and also a good friend of EBM. How are you feeling about the next round coming up in Townsville, Zach?
Yeah, definitely positive. Being the championship leader, new track for me. Feeling comfortable in the car and with everything of the team. So yeah, hopefully it goes well.
Been a little bit of a break now since we saw you on track at Bathurst. I did like the 2 double overtakes you pulled off there, mate. How do you feel about those?
You'll get at least Ojeda, Best come with him.
Think like a sinker here. But Zach Best, he's done it again. 2 for 1.
Twice he's done that in the same weekend.
Yeah, you wouldn't think it'd come twice to be able to do it 2 days in a row, but yeah, it was awesome. Hopefully we can do a few more double moves, maybe try a triple or something at Townsville.
Mate, if you pull off a triple, I'll give you a hundy. Sly hundy under the table. Don't tell the tax office, I tell you. They'll come after you. Anyway, mate, thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. It's been very good. Hopefully the boys will get on to you. If anyone wants to follow Zach on social media, thanks for joining us today, Zach. It was very kind of you to pay for everyone's wheel alignments who's booking in for a service. Just make sure you use the code #ZBR78 when you book in online, and you'll get the free wheel alignment with your service. Thank you very much for tuning in today. We'll see you on the next one. And remember, lick the stamp and send it.
It's the envelope.
It's a stamp, mate.
It's the envelope.
It's a stamp.
You can't send a stamp.
Mate, you can't send an envelope without the stamp. Thanks for watching, everybody. No, I fucked it up already.
Ready? Yep. Shameless merch plug. EBM TV. EBM TV. Get yours. I feel like I paused too much.
I paused
You
too.
did.
I
You did
paused
pretty
as
well.
well. Yeah.
We'll figure it out. We'll just do it a couple of times and we'll get on
let's
to
just
it.
get on.
All right.
Get on the roll.
All right. Welcome back to this episode of EBM TV.
I've already forgotten my lines.
You ready?
I think so.
Welcome back to this episode of EBM TV.
Sorry.
Welcome back to this episode of EBM TV.
I can't do it. I'm really struggling with this today.
Welcome back to this episode of EBM TV. We're our good friend Zach Best. Our good friend. And now I fuck it.
See,
We're our
like
good
this is going to be a nightmare. It comes up too fast.
It does.
Just like me.
No, fuck that. Where?
Fine, I got mine out. I feel
Alright.
better now. I feel good.
Yeah, now I'm just going to fuck mine up for the next 10 minutes.
It happens. I don't know what to do now, like how to stand.
Yeah, right. When I talk to customers, I just move my hands around.
Yeah.
For
So
me?
when you're talking, I think I'm going to look at you. Yeah.
So we'll just do that. So
Let's just try that. I'm
welcome
just
back
going to look at you.
Welcome back to this episode of EBM TV.
And Tickford racing driver Zach Best.
Zach's second best.
Zach second best. I'm already prepping the tattoo. It's going to go right there.
Can we really say good friend when he doesn't really
You're a
like
good
you?
friend? Matt's good
Yeah, but
friend.
I don't like him. So
This is a conundrum.
yeah. Adam's good, mate.
Adam's good, mate.
The big dog. Adam, give us a wave. Give us a wave.
I forgot my line. It's like you just plopped your ass in a bath and farted. Fuck, it stinks, cunt.
Terry looking at his balls.